Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize the design of your online store. Just on the sales channels, you're going to see the online store tab. Click on this. Here you're going to have the ability to choose the theme you wish to use. You can use either free themes provided by Shopify, or you can even find paid themes through the theme store. If you click on customize, it's going to take you to the back end of the designer, where based on the theme, you can have different functionalities and you can customize your website based on the capabilities of that theme. Now remember, this is strictly visually, so this is not like settings or payment information. This is strictly how the site is going to look and act. It's not going to set up anything else outside of what's going to be functional on the front of the site. So you can set up things like menus, text, colors, imagery, and that's easily navigated to by the options here on the side, or you can go by the page specifically. If you head down the bottom here, you can actually go to theme settings, and there's a bit more general items, so things like colors and type. You can even set up favicons and link all your social medias and things like that.